Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. So today it's going to be a quick update on Camp K12. Camp K12 is a website, a platform where it's actually teaching kids on coding. So they also teach mobile app development, artificial intelligence, 3D coding, web development, Python programming, and game programming. So all these things they are teaching for kids from grade 1 to 12. And these classes have three different types, which is like a beginner level, advanced level, and mastery level. So a beginner level will be involving around 36 classes. Advanced level is like around 72 classes, and mastery is like 144 classes. So all these different classes have different type of subjects involved, and different type of skills and coding levels will be differing. The fees range for all these classes are roughly starting from 23,000 to 84,000 INR, and all these things are like the top rated and very on demand courses. So I think guys this is a great opportunity if you are really interested, and if you already in this field, like if you are well known with the coding, and if you are an IT professional, you can just try out teaching kids of all these school goers coding and make money online sitting at home in your comfort. You're just going to teach all these kids online and make money from it. It's just proven that from this website, by teaching kids you will be making roughly around 60,000 INR. So there are also 1 month package of teaching kits are available here. These kits will be like very little ones, which will be just coding, game programming, or just web development. Only one part of the whole course is going to be covered, so which is like 1 month package is also available. So there is n number of options available in this website, and I think this is a great opportunity to make money along with them, guys. Before moving on with the second part of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. And now back to the video. Now about Camp K12, if you are interested, I will leave the link down below, guys, so that you can register yourself in this website as a tutor. If you are interested for part-time work or remote work in this Camp K12 as an online instructor, you can fill out this Google form which they have linked in their website. They have given details about the job, like you can actually make around 60K per month working remotely. You have to teach kids by live streaming your audio, video, and screen sharing your coding works and stuff. And you'll be teaching kids from 6 to 18 years old kids, so it will be like grade 1 to 12. So they have already taught around 50,000 students, and they are actually in more than 5 to 6 countries. So it's a great opportunity, guys. If you are really like interested in these things, you can try it out. The form is actually very simple. You just have to fill out your name, phone number, email address, all the basic details, and then your educational background, and your experience with the following programming languages like JavaScript, web development like HTML or CSS, Android app development, Python, and those stuffs. And they are also asking about your any other coding languages that you know, and they are asking about the projects that you might have done with these coding languages. Link to the project so that they can view how you have done it, and to know about your level and experience in that. And then they are also asking about your teaching experience, and then your internet speed, and then whatever your laptop, do you have a laptop, camera, and a microphone to teach kids, and then how many hours you can work, and what all grades you are comfortable in handling. So it's up to you, guys. This is a great opportunity. If you wish that you can teach kids coding, then this must be the best opportunity to make money from it. So if you are interested, click on the link down below. And Camp K12 has also posted jobs on AngelList, so you can find jobs. I'll also be leaving the link of this AngelList website in the description box. So if you are interested in other jobs other than a coding instructor, you can apply for these kind of jobs. So that's all about the video, guys. If you are interested, click on the link from the description and start applying now. And we'll meet you all in the next video, guys. Until then, bye and thank you.